Alright guys, welcome back again. Here Shiro at the service. We are now here in free trial demo or a free trial of Gunfire Reborn. So, try natin ito laruin. If yung comment yun kasi ito ng kaibigan ko, so natin ko if maganda ba or hindi. Okay, jump. Wala akong key binding. Wait lang. Push and virtual left stick or right stick. Then it's this. A dash. Damn! Auto fire. Manual fire. Tangina mo. Tangina mo. Oh. So... use orb. How to use orb. Use orb, X maybe? Should I X? Oh, my skill. So, ano tong dash? May dash pala dito. Let's put that with E. No. This one. Yo, headshot. Oh my god. Ah, may bag pala to. You found the ship's ammo. Close backpack. Okay. Move. Secret position. Ay, zombie. Use smoke grenade. Oh, a bow spine. Damn! Okay. The settings. Okay guys, welcome back again. Set up na natin ulit. Tayo. Set up natin yung key binding sa atin dito guys. So, fairly super smooth ang game ha. Nasa 60 frame per second tayo dito. Okay, there's the reload. Ay, wait. It's a reload. Ay, weird. Ba't dito nilagay yung reload? Ooh. Ascension. Wow, yung nga ano pala. Malaking grind to. Scroll. Your purchase and fiddlers and not gonna helper. Okay. Ano to? Okay. So, sabi nila may parang chest na rito. Oh, meron nga. Ano to? Grenade. Okay. Oh, Matrix. 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 Oh, may chest dun. Fire in the hole. Baril na, baril na, baril. Aray. What's this? Woodpecker. Magazine. 60. Wow. Sa crossbow. Pwede pala makahold ng bala. Ay, ang galing. So normal arrow. Yes. Paano to? So, magkakaubusan pala ng bala rito. Ay, na. Golden goblet. Ano to? Golden... Oh. Ascension. Determine the direction of growth of this adventure. Level 3 Ascension had powerful detonation effect. Reasonably matching Ascension, occult cross, and weapon can help you further. Okay. Ano mas effective your grenade will deal negative 40 damage, percent damage and take plus 20 damage. 2% damage for 16 can serve the herb plus the same elemental effect as your weapons, although to all enemies it hits a 100% chance. Electro dominance. Ooh. Okay, get this one. Electro dominance. This an ammo. An ammo. Paano to pick? Paano to? An ammo. Another ammo. And an ammo. Okay, next one. Ito pala yung portal na button. Okay. Save. Guys, it is a great game, huh? In fairness. Para siya yung Soul Knight. Pero naka first person. Ang kunat. Ang kunat. Ang kunat. Aray. Kago. Kunat ka? Makunat ka? Makunat ka? Oh, what ito? What's this? What the fuck? What the fuck? Matrix. Ayusan nyo na yan. Ito. Aray. Itong ina nyo, Sa inyo na yan. Sa inyo na yan. Aray. Ayan nyo, Kupal kayo. May nag-chat. Kagi. Nakalimutan ko pala i-off yung messenger ko ka. Oh! Tangin na! Aray. Binder ka. Binder. Binder, teka lang. Teka lang. Oh. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Ito. Okay. Wasak pala yan. Okay. Ito, boss battle to. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hmm. Ang ina ba ito? Pupunta dito. Tangina nyo. Tangina nyo. Tangina nyo. Tangina nyo. Wala akong shield, wala akong shield, wala akong shield, wala akong shield. Oh, tangina nyo. Ano to? Malit ang bala. I can taste it. Rounds. Woodpecker. Eh. Report time. Multiple damage against enemy. Shock effect. Ooh. 3 basic weapon damage to the next magazine. Okay, switch tayo. Damn! Rapid, rapid, rapid. Isang rapid, malala. Okay, uy. Gumalaw ka. What the fuck? Nangyari sa mouse ko? Wala, hindi pa natatakbo. Ano to? Okay. After killing enemy effect by elemental effect, dead by elemental effect, okay. Passport verification. Oh. Corrosion damage. Alright, corrosion damage tayo. Genesis. Next level. Oh, ito pala yung boss bro. Boss, ito yung boss. Parang ito yung boss. Eternal Palace. Ano to? Sino to? Sino ka po? Sino ka po? Paano ka po? Ah, ooh. Only skill they can enhance the weapon unfortunately Gemini exception. Ah, okay. Yun pala yung silbi ng Gemini. Okay. Ayun. Wala na. Then dito kabila. Peddler. Who are you, motherfucker? Oh, libre. Mysterious bond. Ganyan. Ganyan. I feel grenades. Angelic. when reloading and like after defeating enemy, retain the magazine ammo, retain time, and retain the remaining ammo as additional magazine capacity. There are more remaining ammo, the higher the base damage. Wow, this one. Argus. Bullets spread horizontally and knock close enemy. If enemy hit any barrier or they were back, they will receive additional damage, corrosion damage, 25 chance of dealing decay. Wow. Thunder. Projectile horizontally split on 2 times. Lightning damage. This is a normal. This is the corrosion. Hmm. Compare with my. Alright, alright, alright. This is. Yep, yep. I think I wanna get by this one. This is a shotgun. A shotgun. And this is an ammo. Convert into lightning damage. 1.0 critic for next shot. Dubs ammo for current weapon. Now when defeating enemy with critical hit. Accuracy, stability, percent plus 100% magazine capacity plus 30% reload time. And this is refill or ammo. Alright. Corrosion damage. Okay. Lucky shot chance. 40%. I think I'm gonna get this one. What's this? Odd in the house. You're purchasing in a peddler that not cost any copper. Ooh. Right. Ba't ang daming engine? What the fuck? Ay, ano? Huh? Plus 4? Plus 2. Okay, it has na plus 2. Hmm. Mas madaming. Mas malaki ang ammo size nito. And then this Yargus. Change natin sa Woodpecker. Ish. Round. Large ammo. Capacity special with high rate of fire. Magazine. Type of ammo in magazine less than 50%. What? Mm, I hate to do this, but let me try this shit. Yun na. Enemies effect by smoke deal lower damage and take by damage. Backpack increase the maximum charge of smoke grenade. Orb. Okay. Blinding sphere increase the explosion reduce energy increase manipulation effect that will affect by percent barrier. Alright. Scroll. When shooting, there's a 20% chance to examine the magazine. Okay. I think we're good. Oh, the boss battle. Oh, Kagi. Oh, damn. Hmm. 170, 160. What the fuck? Ouch. What hit you shield ko, Kagi? Ah! Tang, ina. Mm, 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 mm. Ba't ko kasi pinalitan yung crossbow, kakalo, boss battle na. Critic hit. Uh, oh! Tog! Fuck. Damn. Okay. That's for the trial, man. Kakabitin. Tangin na. Nakakabitin, promise. Kapipal ka. Tingin mo kapipal ka. Okay. Nakakabitin, tangin na. Okay. That's it. I hope pabalik natin. Bibili natin ito, guys. Gagi. Napakasulit itong game ito. Okay, standby mo na itong game ito. So, laro na natin yung yung free trial. So, let's swap muna sa ibang game.